You want to party in the bathroom? What I really mean is, do you want party lights in the bathroom? This is the NuTone Bluetooth lighting fan for a bathroom / shower. Currently it's just on the light, so you can use it as a regular light, but let me show you how to party. What's really cool about this is it's actually a wireless remote, so it fits in with our genre of electrical stuff. But this is the remote and it's all done wirelessly. So this is the light, which turned off the light. This button is the colored light. That's my favorite one. And then you have the fan button. That is the fan running. It's not really loud at all. I mean, I don't notice it when I'm laying in bed. As I said, this unit has Bluetooth as well. It hooks really easily up to Bluetooth on your phone. And we've been using this for over a year now, and it has worked seamlessly. Hope this video helps.